We've all been there, staring at the mirror, noticing a little more scalp than yesterday. The shower drain tells a story of lost strands. You've tried the special shampoos, the topical ointments, and the serums, hoping for a miracle. But what if the real problem isn't on your head, but within your body? It's time to shift our focus from the surface to the source. Hair loss can be a complex issue, often stemming from internal factors like hormones, genetics, and nutrition. That's where a new approach is needed, and that's exactly what Profolan delivers. Profolan is a revolutionary new supplement designed to combat hair loss from the inside out. Instead of just treating the symptoms, it works to address the root causes of thinning hair. This isn't just another product. It's a game changer for men who are ready to take back control of their hairline. Profolan's effectiveness is rooted in its comprehensive internal approach. Instead of surface-level fixes, its Grow3 formula works from within to tackle the primary causes of male hair loss. By harnessing the power of natural ingredients like field horsetail and nettle, it strengthens hair from the follicle. At the same time, it helps inhibit the DHT hormone and provides the essential building blocks, like L-Cysteine, to ensure new hair grows in thicker and stronger. It's a holistic strategy for restoring not just hair, but also confidence. Profolan isn't just a theory, it's backed by impressive results. Clinical studies have shown that 9 out of 10 men who use the supplement saw a significant improvement in their hair. Users report less shedding, increased density, and renewed confidence. Even hair specialists are taking notice, with some calling it a brilliant alternative to expensive and invasive procedures like hair transplants. The best part: Profolan is a completely natural and safe solution. It's free from the harsh chemicals and side effects often associated with other hair loss treatments. Simply take 2 capsules a day with a meal, and you could start seeing results in as little as 3 months. If you're ready to stop watching your hair disappear down the drain and start your journey toward a fuller, healthier head of hair, Profolan offers a path forward. And with a 90-day money-back guarantee, there's nothing to lose but a few strands of hair.